after using the iPhone XS saddle brown leather case for almost half a year now. I think it is a very good case, and it is definitely worth your money. When I first bought this case, I thought it was too overpriced and too slippery. But after a couple weeks, I got used to it. Looking back, how could anyone think the case is overpriced? I would like to consider it one of Apple's best products. The way it patinas over time gave the case personality and made it more personal to me than ever. So in this video, I am going to answer the very controversial question, should you buy it? When talking about Apple products, you just have to talk about the color, especially for the leather cases. Some colors change every season, but the black, saddle brown, taupe, and red stays constant. Right now, in the spring of 2019, it comes in the color cornflower, which is a very thick, light blue color, with maybe 1 or 2% of magenta mixed into it. Another color that it comes in right now is sunset. It is a very vibrant orange, but not quite. It is very hard to describe, just because of how special it is. But if the vibrant colors are too much for you, you could try the color lilac. It is a very creamy purple that looks really good under bright lighting. If you're liking the lilac, you would probably like pony pink as well. Pony pink is a darker shade of pink, but not that dark. It's like when you're trying to make pink by mixing red and white together. But halfway you mess up, and you decide to just go with it. Don't get me wrong, it's a great color. It's just that it's a little unusual for most people. For a darker color, imagine the cornflower mixed in with lapis lazuli. It's a very nice dark blue, which many people would definitely go for. Forest green is exactly what it is. Just imagine you're in a forest full of spruce trees. When you look up, that's the color you would see. For some more standard colors, there is taupe, midnight blue, saddle brown, black, and product red. I don't need to explain what they look like, because you guys already know. The leather case is very much like a silicone case that Apple makes, but it is significantly better, as its buttons are actually made of metal, and it feels way more premium because of that natural leather Apple uses. Also like the silicone case, it adds a millimeter of thickness, which prevents the wiggle that the camera makes on a flat surface. However, it's just a thin case, so your phone might still break or crack when you drop it. And the bottom of the phone is not covered by the case, so the stainless steel could be scratched. So should you buy the leather case? The short answer is yes. But if you're not making a lot of money, then I think you have already spent a lot on your new iPhone, so you would want to protect it the best you could. As good as this case may seem to be, it will not offer the same amount of protection as a case designed to protect your iPhone. Please consider subscribing, or at least click on one of those recommended videos on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.